project for Attabotics is AIoT fulfillment. And so it's a combination of AI, IoT, and fulfillment. Deep learning is data hungry. You can imagine in our system, we call it a nest. That's the box that all the robots do all their operations in. And there's also workstations where the humans work. And so you have robots, and you have bins, and you have workstations. So you can imagine, with normal heuristics, programmers would have to say, when orders come in, that robot, go get that bin, put it to that workstation so the human can pick it, and then go home, robot. It's the same set of decision points, but you can imagine when you have more robots, more bins, and more decisions to be made, the heuristics in the programming gets a little bit deep, right? So when you throw data and examples of what's good and bad at that, the data-driven decisions seem to be making the right choice quite often because it's based off of hundreds of thousands of runs.